Welcome back to Capital Root Trader. In this video, I'll provide a comprehensive breakdown of a highly effective trade setup using smart money concepts, SMC, that resulted in a profitable trade on XAU-USD gold. This detailed analysis will cover market structure, entry criteria, risk management, trade execution, and final outcomes to help you apply these concepts in your own trading journey. Let's get started. Market structure analysis. Analyzing the chart, we can observe a significant market structure shift, indicating a change in the order flow dynamics. Key observations include fair value gaps. FVG. A strong imbalance was created due to rapid price movement, suggesting institutional involvement. Support and resistance zones. A previously established support level transitioned into a resistance zone, forming a high probability trading opportunity. Order block confirmation. The price reacted to a bearish order block, further reinforcing institutional activity and potential price reversal. Liquidity zones. The presence of liquidity pockets around key psychological levels confirmed areas where price action was likely to react. Entry strategy. I identified the 2,885, 2,890 region as a critical resistance area based on FVG and order block confluence. Confirmation of bearish momentum came from a strong rejection candle, the resistance zone. A short entry was executed in alignment with institutional order flow. Stop loss placement. Strategically positioned just above the recent swing high to minimize downside risk. Risk management. Risk to reward ratio. This trade followed a structured 1-3 RRRR, ensuring optimized risk allocation. Partial profit taking. Secured profits at key demand levels to lock in gains and reduce exposure. Trailing. Stop mechanism. Adjusted the stop loss to break even after the first target was achieved, converting the trade into a risk-free setup. Trade size consideration. Position sizing was based on calculated risk tolerance to maintain account sustainability. Trade execution and results. The price exhibited a strong rejection at the predefined resistance zone, validating the bearish outlook. The trade successfully hit the first take profit TP level at 2,875, followed by the second TP at 2,860. A well-structured approach resulted in significant profits while maintaining controlled risk exposure. Key takeaways. Understand market structure. Identifying order flow changes is crucial in predicting price movements. Utilize smart money concepts, leverage FVG, order blocks, and liquidity zones for high probability trades. Apply strategic risk management. Always define entry, stop loss, and take profit levels before executing a trade. Adapt to market conditions. Stay flexible and adjust trade execution based on price action dynamics. Conclusion. This trade setup exemplifies the power of smart money concepts when integrated with disciplined risk management. By understanding institutional order flow and executing structured trading plans, traders can significantly improve their performance. If you found this analysis insightful, like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth trading strategies and live market breakdowns. Drop your thoughts in the comments if you want more educational content like this. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.